Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. So I'm live in my account here, and on the right hand side you'll see my commissions are now $98.60 with OLSP System. More importantly, if you want to get a free video tour with this system, then there'll be a link in the description. It's called the Mega Link, and you just promote one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams. I'll just show you some proof of that shortly. This is the owner, Wayne Crowe, and Wayne's been online for 15 years now, and he gives you an overview of video tour here of what to expect. This video lasts just about 10 minutes, so you can get that free video tour from the link in the description. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly what you get with a one-time payment of $7 and no monthly membership costs. So let me just go into commissions and show you how the multiple income streams work, your commissions, and I'm going to blur out the members' information for privacy. And what you'll see here is, if I go into all transactions, just go into all the transactions, what you'll see here is the amount, this column here, the balance, what I just showed you here, this is the balance column of 98.60. And then this is the amount. So these are 100% commissions that you earn on your mega link of your $7. Now, what you'll see here is there are 3 products so far of the 7. So the Mega Link is one product at $7. Another product that's been sold is List Building and Magic Link. That's a second one. And also Mega Messenger here. One there, Mega Messenger, and one there. And the Mega Messenger is a $10.80 commission. And you'll see date of transaction in this column here. So this is my first week of promoting. I started on December the 6th, and today we're on December the 13th here in England, in the United Kingdom. So I want to show you the value that you're going to get with this system. So I'm going to go back into the members area. I'm going to go back into the dashboard. So the help, support and training really is what this system excels with. First of all, when you log in, come down here. These are 2 free trainings for you to watch. So Wayne has made $10 million in commissions, and it's perfect for beginners. I don't want you to get overwhelmed and think this is just for intermediates and advanced. There's quite a lot of information on here, but Wayne is here to help. His goal is to help you earn your first commission online as a beginner, and to build on that and become successful with affiliate marketing at every level. So this training here, this is what you get free in the top left-hand corner. You access that product there. It shows you how he made 10 million in commissions. This is free as well. You access that product there. It's called the 100 commission hack. So straight away you're going to get straight into some trainings there. And then what you do is, let me just show you over here. I want to show you now the value that you get for a one-time payment of $7. So this is the Mega Link training. Now, if you're brand new, please don't get overwhelmed by all these boxes on this page here, because I'm going to break down and show you exactly what you need to do here. It's very, very simple and really beginner friendly. So what Wayne has done is, if you see this line here, I'm going to draw over. If you see his line here, this is a line he's drawn in this training. And all you need to be concerned with as an affiliate is everything to the left of this line here. That's it. And all that is you getting your mega link and then you driving traffic. Now what he does, it's a complete 100% done for you system. So this on the right hand side here, this over here is a funnel. This is a complete 100% done for you funnel. At the bottom of the funnel, after all this, is where you earn your commissions. So you're going to get everything here on the right hand side for $7. That's a one-time payment, no monthly membership costs. And then what happens is you get your mega link. So the mega link is, if I can show you back at the beginning here, you're going to get your mega link. That's mine there. Just copy that and you paste it. And then over here, this is where Wayne and his team take over and do this for you. So first of all, you're going to get a squeeze page, done for you squeeze page. And that's this one here. So you don't have to create any squeeze pages. You don't have to create any emails. You don't have to create, he follows up for you. It's a complete system on autopilot. So when you get your squeeze page, what Wayne does over here is training. He trains you inside the members area, and he trains you with weekly live events on how to get traffic to your lead capture page and your mega link. And then what happens is when your prospects put their email address into here, then he then follows up for you. They go onto an email list, but he follows up for you by sending emails. And within these emails is your link, your mega link. Within those emails, it's absolutely insane the value that you'll get. You don't have to buy any monthly autoresponder costs. And then if any of he's created his own products, he's put $250,000 into this system. And if any of your prospects buy any of these products, and they range from $7 to monthly products, monthly recurring to high ticket, if any of your prospects, and all these are going out on automation, all automated for you. And if any of your prospects buy from an email that's sent out for you, then you will earn commissions. And that's all I've ever done to show you the proof of commissions here. So, and to add to that, he's also got his Facebook group community, which I'll come to shortly. So it's got staff, he's got everything. It's a complete, he calls it an ecosystem. I like to call it a funnel because people are looking for funnels and they want to earn multiple income streams promoting one link. Now the Facebook group is where you get help, support and training, and where he's building the community. So this is a complete, when he talks about a complete system, it really is a complete system. And the value is absolutely insane at $7. So quite a lot of information there. If you're brand new, don't get overwhelmed, because all you've got to do is there's only one thing you've got to do is just follow his training. Is just follow Wayne's training in the members area and then just promote your mega link. And that's all I've ever done. So his Facebook group over here has got 142,000 members. Wayne's very active within the Facebook group. You've got everyone in here from beginners to intermediates to advanced marketers. But the great thing about it is it's here for help, support and training. He's built a huge community of people helping people. And that's what I really like about it, because none of us can do this on our own. We all need help, support and training. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. Well, first of all, before that, I'd like to mention the income disclaimer in the description. We're not making any guarantees or income claims in this video. I'm just sharing with you what's worked for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also promote it as an affiliate. But if you have enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP system, please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. But I recommend you just click the link in the description. Come and meet Wayne. This is Wayne here. Come and meet Wayne, and he'll talk you through this short 10-minute video. There's more information on the page as well on how we are here to help you become successful with OLSP system. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.